Now that don't catch some people, then these people where they always produce fake drinks. You know this kind of big drinks when I go enter club, go they drink. Now all this kind of thing, now these people they produce drinks like Hennessy, Kalahari, now all those kind of things that they produce, where they're very expensive. They know they even go for like the cheap one, and they talk say this company, this manufacturing company, is there for Anambra people. People they creative, Nigerians. See us we they creative, they know all this kind of drinks now, big drinks. People won't sit down and think them. In fact, they get the color, the shape, everything. And so they get them. Making I watch the video of this place where they catch them, these people.
Been able to discover another what I would call a manufacturing company. This is where they manufacture Hennessy. This is Hennessy VSO. Jesus Christ. In their numbers. See, that the rubber they used to mix it. The team of Anambra State Task Force, in collaboration with NAFDAC, have been able to intercept another factory where these products are being adulterated. This is SO. These are products. These are products.
This guy is a big you know the students this thing. The kingpin. You know this small things about drinking the thing. The kingpin.
I don't see this company. They don't even use illegal materials, plastic where they take fresh water. Now they use they store them this Nigerian people. Nigeria the greatest. In fact, are they toilet for na? Are they salute on na? Sabi do things so, but this one are good things. And I know they use them for better things. Say packaging now. If person give you this thing, you don't go even believe say this thing are fake. They to make this thing original. If say they don't even catch them, you know how many people don't even drink this kind of thing. You know these people go even go club, they will carry this kind of drink. They didn't go they very expensive, they go still buy them. You know, but this thing they even affect them. They don't go know because they go feel say now the expensive one and they don't go buy. See how people they very creative. But if say you do this your creativity for better place for good, at least we know say you sabi create this thing. Go find person who go support you, one brand ambassador. Maybe the person go they help you because we have all this our own Nigerian things. Maybe somebody for even agrees okay, make we say create our own Nigerian NSC. But I will give them another name. They will give another brand. Now you can't go thief this thing. They do them exactly. When I watch the video now, everything now the same thing. In fact, the numbers where they go write them small, they get everything. Now people, in fact, nothing they even surprise me for this Nigeria again. So they go stay turn agege bread. They go they use the way do what do they even call them? This flour. Where they take kukamal. They go still use and mix the flour till they do bread. As it be like this. Because Nigeria people, we too they creative, but now for bad things. Make another fear Nigerians. So anywhere when I hear this, when I even say green, white, green, in fact, run for your life. Because people, this kind of people, they sabi think. And I can't they wonder, people where they this community. This and I know saying that this thing these people they do for them. People go no, but because they fear, they know one great talk. Maybe that they tip them. Even the people where they live for the community, they are king. They feel no saying that this kind of thing they produce for them, but they're going to behave like say they no. They're going to keep everything to themselves. It's not good because these drugs are being drink what they don't even create now. If you don't even kill person, what person no go no? And I don't know the kind of water where they see the drum where they even use. If you be saying normal tap water, where they don't even use any chemical do, now they use they do this thing. They go just go buy normal NSC, pump one pure water, top them up, pour more sugar. I be what they even put. Now they go do can't give people, and people go buy them. The one where they even vex me, you go surprise say some people when they say this thing, they know saying are fake that they buy. But they go they sell them for original people they do them. Everybody go do experience them. You go know see this thing where they say you buy a 15 naira, but you go sell a 50,000 naira. So we just like to cheat ourselves. Now we they do ourselves for this country. Now we they do ourselves. You will see this thing, you know go talk. We just they fall our hand. If you go here, Nigeria don't do this one. If you go here, our Igbo brothers making us stop all these kinds of way now they do. It don't tire us. Now go they complain say Nigeria no good. On ourselves join for the things where they spoil this country. I don't tire o, I tire for una matter. Anyway, as it be, now here I won't end this kind of story. Anything when I feel about this thing where these people they do, make una write down for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next video. My people, today's story, if you not hear them, you go shock on her. This country hungry day, this our country where people they really hunger. You get one man in do skin to skin. Nobody kind skin to skin well now know. This one another type of skin to skin. But before I go even tell her the story, may I first watch this video first to know what this man do before I come explain, giving her in details.
Hii mtu wako na mwenzake hawezi jifunga hiyo nyama. Toa. Atakaa jifunge nyama. Rudisha hiyo. Ndio. Yeah. Zunguka. Pinduka. Geuka nyuma. Zunguka.
Hunger dey this country well now. See as person get mind. Thief meat, no be even one meat. Thief 2 goats meat. Wear am like cloth, like agbada. Wear one for here, wear one for here. Carry am enter, say, now wetin you want thief be this. Oga, if you dey thief, learn to dey get mind. Learn to dey pity people. Person wey even get this meat, you know wetin you want do with this meat? You know how much one goat meat dey cost? One goat meat na like 16,000 naira. You can't thief 2. So wetin you want use am do? Make I even ask yourself. Now pepper soup you wan go cook, abi wetin you even wan go cook sef? Make I even ask you. This kind person, now if we put am for government office, everything go miss. Even pin one chair sef we no go even see for our office again because ordinary goat meat na ain't go carry. But when they look and say hungry dey the country, even if hungry dey, oga, if say you go even sell pure water, people go pity you. This kind of meat wey you carry, nobody fit pity you because this one don pass. You no even carry half, you can't carry the 2. Wear am like Abija. That's where they go fight war. Wear am do skin to skin with the meat. Say you dey go thief. As they catch you now, you can't do innocent face, make person pity you. Oga, nobody go pity you. Either they give you Sharia law, or we even look as they go take, because this one now, we don't even know as they won't even judge the case. Because even if they collect the meat, fine, I know the person self go give one cook and back. I be waiting what even do with the meat. The person self no go know. But this case now, it be like this. Making ourselves full mouth for this kind of matter. Say, this kind of man, what will they do to him? And then don't forget to follow us for better stories we will get for now. Then don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this channel as well.